Alright. The radio works pretty simply. So I'll just turn on my car. It will automatically search for my phone. And then open up the app that controls the whole thing. That's the only way to control this thing. So I'll be going through that a little bit. So it's going to warn you to be careful when you're driving and using this thing. And the app looks like this. So some of these buttons on the side here are the same as the physical ones here. So here you have voice commands. So for example, you could say Navi and then your destination, or call whoever. That's what I use it for. This one will bring up your selected navigation app. I use Google Maps. And then this is supposed to read your notifications if you have any. This brings up your phone book. And then back to the main menu here. So the sources are basically just Bluetooth or radio. I only ever use Bluetooth and Spotify. Let's see. There's a few different EQs here. This is the one that works best for me. I don't know if you can even tell what it says, powerful. And then you can quickly launch whatever music apps you have downloaded already on your on your phone, sorry. And then let me go through some of the settings. System settings. Do you want beep tone? Do you want to automatically use the USB to play music? Actually, no, I don't, because when I tried it, the Bluetooth wouldn't work at first. So I can get this out of my way from holding cups. Anyway, you know, your distances and time format, voice settings. So it's hands-free, and it uses this microphone right here, both for the voice commands and when you're on the phone. Here's a list of the voice commands you can use. So you start with artist or album or song to play those. Call whoever. Source, what source do you want? Navigation. So here's where you pick what app you will launch when you press this button. And of course you want voice guidance. You can add volume to the navigation voice if you want. Message apps, Messenger and Facebook. I don't know what that's all about. So we'll just forget about that. Shouldn't text and drive anyway, that's dangerous. Phone. So yeah, I have it on to automatically pair. What is... I don't know what that is. Okay. Safety. You can turn on impact detection. There's also a button here for parking sensors, which I did not buy. So yeah, you can wire those up to beep when you're close to an object when you're reversing. So you can customize your screen and this down here as well. So theme, I chose a image of my own, but they have a bunch of other ones. Some of them are live, but I like the one I chose. You can choose the color that's down here. The dimmer can go on or off, or you can set a timer on it. I just like it off because at night it's never bright enough. You can turn it on and off these effects down here. Not exactly sure what all this means. Okay, so this is just a longer way to choose your equalizer. So again, I like powerful. Audio. Dynamic bass enhancer. I don't know why I don't have that on. Well, when I put it on high, I just heard some static. So I'll just leave it low. Loudness. I hear static again. I'll leave that off. It's loud enough as it is, and I'm on the factory speakers. You can change your balance. I like mine centered. I've never even seen all this before. I don't want to mess with it. Maybe you guys know what it means. Let me know in the comments. Not sure what that is either. Okay, yeah, save my changes. App. Waiting for automatic connection. Okay. No. There we go. And if you want, you could somehow use Alexa with this, but I just use the Google Assistant, if anything, because I have Google Pixel 5, if you didn't realize. So, I guess now I can give you a little sound demo using Soundcloud. I'll use my little brother's music. Shout out him. Check out his YouTube. His link is in my description at all times. Let's see. Where's one that we won't get in trouble for? Alright, here's this one.
Want to hear something amazing? Discover Matt.
Alright. So, hopefully you guys could hear that well. I think it sounds great for only 4 speakers. I have just the 2 and the doors, and there's no grills from inside, but they're underneath the back panel there in the trunk. And the bass sounds good. It's usually clear unless you go up a certain volume. I know at first it didn't sound very clear. I don't know if that's SoundCloud. Sometimes it does that. Or if it's some of the settings I just messed with. That's pretty much it. I don't know if I need to mention this. This is next song, last song. This is what you use to change your source. This is volume up, down. You could play music through USB if you had iPhone, I'm pretty sure. I don't know how it really works. I just like the Bluetooth function. It's a really simple system and only cost me $150 for the head unit itself, and then $90 to get it to fit in my specific car. So that part will be different for everyone, I'm sure. So I think it was a great buy. I've been using it for almost 3 weeks now, and hasn't failed me yet. So that's it. Thank you.